My mom, she's an inspiring figure. She did not have any role model, so she became her role model. I really like how she's dedicated to her work and also gives time to her family members and all.
I'm Nisha Lohani, working as Program Manager in BP in Finance, Business and Technology Center. During my childhood, I always saw my mom and aunts who were at home. They were always occupied in the household activities. It was a full-time job for them, and they hardly had even time for themselves. All the males, they were all always into the business. They will get all the lunch prepared, they will come, have their lunch and they'll run away. I grew up in a joint family with all the cousins around, almost 12 cousins all together in one house initially. So we were going to the same school, go down to play, even we used to dance a lot. You share the house, you share food timings, so it was all, a kind of very much in a community-based structure. Not very common for female, do things on your own. My parents were always supportive of me studying. Although I had two younger brothers, but then they never made any difference between the daughter and the son. When I was in class 7, we got introduced with computers. It was very exciting to see that small box, doing a lot of things. That was the moment that I thought, okay, no, this is something that I should learn. And I decided that no, I want to do computer engineering and I want to pursue this further. When I was talking to my parents that I want to do engineering, they were very positive about it. That actually encouraged me to pursue bigger dreams. Think of something which maybe no one has done in the family earlier. Becoming the first woman in the family who has pursuing the engineering, I think that has actually given a lot of courage to the other family members, and it has actually carved a path for them. This is during the reception and this is during the Jayamala. I got married at age of 23 years. See, everyone is waiting for Bharat to come. Leaving your family, all the atmosphere that you were in, it was very difficult. I shifted to Pune. My husband was working at that point of time and I was not working. He used to go to office and then I was all alone in the home, which I was not used to. So it was so lonely. But then I think with support of my in-laws, my parents, I think I was able to cope up during that situation. I always had a sense of community when I was staying in a joint family, and bringing that knowledge, experience, I helped shape up a community within BP. I'm the co-chair in BRG Working Families. I never saw a group which is talking about the working family, especially for the women during their transition phases. In BP, you were always encouraged to take your leave. So you spend that time, quality time with your kids. BP is there to support me in my need. I think it's a long journey that I have gone through from a young girl to a woman that I am today. Message to younger Nisha would be, dreams are not only for dreams, right? You can actually pursue it. You can always keep learning, keep growing, and things will keep following for you.